Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup look, which is kind of weird for me right now because I feel like I haven't done a makeup look in forever at this point. I've been doing everything except that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a makeup look for hooded eyes. So I have quite hooded eyes, and to achieve a very bold color, at least for it to be seen, I have to emphasize the crease line. So the key to this look is ultimately to achieve a very cut crease. Place more emphasis in this area here, and you'll achieve better results. For this look, I'm not going to be using my James Charles palette, if you can really believe it. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate palette, and I did a first impression on this in one of my videos a few weeks ago or so. So if you like that, you can check that out. So to start with, I'm just going to create a transition color on the crease just for a buildup. And it's going to be this color right here. And this palette, I should know, it's very pigmented. So I would say you can be conservative with the amount that you put on the eye. Also, I have kind of like small lids, so it's also hard for me to achieve a nice color when I don't have so much surface area to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color here. And I remember last time I did this, I used this palette for a makeup look. I ended up being too generous with the pigment, so I didn't like it that much. To be a lot softer with the amount that I use this time. So I am going to create a harsh line right in the center of the crease. Or rather, not in the center, but the edge of the crease. And yes, I'm going to add another color. I'm going to blend this, don't worry. It's going to turn out to be fine in the end. That's what I say in all of my makeup videos, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to blend it just to soften up that harsh line that I created. So now that I have that established for the crease, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this color here. It's a little bit lighter than what I established as the base for the crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out over the foundation. I am going to take a packing brush like this one here, and I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer to the look. I'm going to take this rose gold shimmery color here. and I'm just going to pack it on the center of my lid. Lastly, I'm going to take the lightest color in the palette, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to do a very fine swipe right below my brow, just to achieve a slight highlight. I know I'm not using the right brush whatsoever for this, but I just want a hint of color there. Very, very light. Barely even noticeable. So that is the completion of the eyeshadow look. And today I'm going to top it off with some mascara. I think that this look deserves it. I prefer to only put the mascara on my top lashes. I find that it makes my eyes look bigger and my lashes longer as well. And I avoid having that raccoon look because the mascara always seems to sweat off during the day naturally and just goes beneath the lashes, and then hence creates that raccoon look that I cannot stand. And I'm not a huge fan to cake on mascara either. I just like to give it a few swipes and then leave it just to have it as natural as possible. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.